Hi everyone, today we're going to make some mixed vegetable rice. You're going to need 2 cups of rice, some chicken breast, how much you want in the rice. You're going to cut it in small pieces. You're going to need a medium-sized pan and a wooden spoon, and then you're going to add 1.5 cup of oil, a small cup of oil. You're going to turn on the gas to high. In another pot or pan, whichever you want to use, you're going to add some water, about 4 cups of water. After the water boils, you'll put the rice in it. In the pan that you put the oil in, you're going to put the chicken in. Put the top on it so it can cook. And just look at it until you can see when it's cooked. You need 2 tomatoes and 1 bell pepper. Look at to see if the chicken is cooked. You're going to need 1 spoon of garlic, 1 spoon of red pepper, 1 spoon of chili powder, 1 spoon of black pepper, 2 spoons of salt, and add how many spice, if you want it spicy or not, you can put how much you want in it. It doesn't have to be 2 spoons. And then you need to mix it all. 1 spoon of cumin, add half a spoon of turmeric powder. Cut the 2 tomatoes and 1 bell pepper. Add the tomatoes first. Put the top on and let the tomato cook until it's sauce-like. Look to see if your water has boiled and add the rice. Add 3 teaspoons of oil. Add 2 spoons of salt. Put the top on. Next, to see if your chicken is ready, if the tomato has become sauce-like, add 2 cups of mixed vegetables. Next, add your bell peppers. Add half a cup of Hunt's tomato sauce. Add 1 chicken cube. Put the top on, let it cook. Next, check on your rice, see if it has boiled until it is cooked. Next, you'll need some cilantro and green onions. You see the rice is cooked, and drain all the water from the rice. Put the rice back in the pot. Cut the green onions and the cilantro. Add the chicken sauce to the rice and mix it well. Add the cilantro and the green onions. Mix until there is no white rice left. Add the top on and turn the gas to low heat. In another smaller pan, add about a small half a cup of oil. And you're going to need some small almonds, and they're going to be without the coat. About a small plate of them. And you're going to add it to the oil. And you're going to mix it until it's slightly brown. And this is optional if you ever want to use the almonds for the rice, but you don't have to. See, it has turned lightly brown. In a plate, take out the rice, and you can add the almonds. It's optional if you want to. And that's it. Thank you for watching.